Good morning, guys. We are going to talk about the natural macromolecules from the carbohydrates, protein, and lipids are derived those molecules high molecular mass. The materials will regularly or often from the polymers of macromolecules. The chemical compounds of molecular weight extremely high, such as plastic, cellulose, some starch, and they can be used to make some materials in common use.
Carbohydrates or sugar are the most about an economic source of dietary energy in our diet. They are present both in food of animal origin, as milk and its derivatives, as in the those of plant origin. Legumes, cereals, flour, vegetables, and fruits. We will see the most important carbohydrates.
Is the most abundant carbohydrates is found in fruit juice and can be obtained from sucrose, starch, or salt. Saccharose is the most abundant saccharose is obtained industrially of the sugar cane and the sugar beet. Amidite is the found in the sets of plants such as wheat, rice, oats, in potato tubers such as started other vegetables. Cellulose form the walls of plant cells. The one contain almost 50% and cellulose and cotton more 90%. When they are modern, many chemicals such as photographic film.
Chemicals formed basically by carbon and hydrogen, and generally to a lesser extent also oxygen. In addition, they may occasionally contain phosphorus, nitrogen, and sulfur. It's a group of very heterogeneous substances possess these two characteristics. They are insoluble in water and are soluble in organic solvents like ether, chloroform, and benzene. The functions of lipids are as follows. Reserve function, they are the main energy reserve of the organism. 1 gram of the fat produces 9.4 kilocalories in the metabolic reactions of oxidation, while proteins and lucids only produce 4.1 kilocalories per gram. Its structural function from the lipid layers of the membranes, they are cover organs and give it constancy of mechanically protect like adipose tissue of feet and hands. Biocatalyst function. In this role, the lipids favor or facilitate the chemical reaction that occur in lipid veins.
¡Bravo!
Es que me subiera, pero este vato estaba bajando más cada vez más el teléfono.
Fuga ya, güey. Ya vámonos.
Like won't be all for our part. We hope you like them. We will leave extra content in the video as part of recording that did not go so way by they have import think and you could say something funny and will. My name is Fernando Gonzalez and I say goodbye. Have a nice day.
Protein are substances that are found in a living being this way. Have various functions. Just an enzyme that regular with the body. Some species enzyme exist every reaction, e.g. emulate. Break the link between glucose and glucose in cross-section. Going to another group of protein are some hormones. The regular diffuse of the organs This there is a role enzymes to regulate the production of sex hormones, etc. Another role of protein is that part on the rest on the destruction, such and discipline, now and heart.
Main sources of proteins: cereals, rice, oats, corn, wheat, etc. Legumes: beans, lentils, soybeans, beans, etc. They are classified according to its form: fibrosis, present chains, long polypeptide, and atypical secondary structure. They are insoluble in water in aqueous solutions. Examples will include keratin, collagen, and fibrin.
Characteristics: between the enzymes in a thing of comfort separated. From living interface grows into pain and either feeling. Grow passing out what makes them solid in polar solvents, such as water most abundant, some harms. Enzymes and transport proteins are examples of globular protein. Mix has fibrinogen part commonly in the centers of protein and globulars and shares in the end.
Composition. Tip. Its hydrolysis produces only amino acids, example of the including insulin and collagen, fibrinogen and globulars. Conclusion. We could say that the natural macromolecules are going to be indispensable in your life, since we will need the liquid, patents and hydrocarbons for Vatican factory correctly. We will go to lay practice about some important that it seems difficult. You go contact tools in our last life.